All right. So when I talk to you about giving extra stimulation to these points, I want to be clear on sort of what that means. So you're still doing the normal, so the full treatment on either the hands or the feet or both. You're still doing that full treatment, but you're emphasizing the areas that need more work. Okay, so for example, the person's got neck pain. Okay, so you work more on the spinal region, and you'll come back to it. You don't want to just sit there for 10 minutes and get there and just grind away at the the neck area, but you will come to it, and this is what I want to be sort of clear about. And you come back to it. So throughout the treatment, you come back and you'll just give it more work. So you get to do it several times on the most beneficial areas which are outlined in the course, right, for each condition. For example, stimulating. Let's just say we're going to stimulate the spinal region. Okay, so let me get this up here for you. All right, so I've shown you how you do this. Now, obviously, you can use more work with your thumbs. Doing more work with the thumb work there. See that, getting there more on that, and more work with the stick. Now, of course, you can use it side on through there, no problems whatsoever. But you're going to give it more time and keep coming back to it, as I say. The other thing you want to do is work across the zone. So you're going to work the zone in all directions. Okay, so let's say we're going through here. So we'll go with the neck through here. We might do through here, going down the sides, of each side of the neck. So we're going to do them longitudinally, right? And then you'll also do them across. So you'll work. Can you see that? Okay, yeah. So you can work them across as well. So whatever, and if it was stomach, same thing. Stomach, you're working across it. You're working up along it. All right. So you get that. Point being, don't just go gung ho and just. And of course, like always, you'll ask the client, is that too much? Is that okay? But so you will work that, and then you'll do some more work on other parts of the hand or the foot or wherever or both, and then you come back and just give it some more work. Okay, so that's working like that. That's one method of stimulation, going across, going in each direction. The other way you want to stimulate is through using pressure point work. This is another way to give the points more, the reflex point more stimulation. So whatever grip you prefer, all right, and press in like that, like so. Now, the other thing you can also do, I actually prefer this for the pressure point with the butt of the hand in there, the butt of the stick in the hand. Just seems to be easier. Okay, so you stimulate and twist. All right, so you go back and do that sort of work. So going up and across, and we come back. Maybe next time you come back to it, you stimulate the stomach or whatever region. The other thing you could also do is tapping. Tapping is a really good way to stimulate an area as well. So you can also do that. So as I say, you can use your thumbs, no problems. But in my mind, why use your? You can change it up and use your thumbs, but remember, it's, when you got the stick, it's just makes it easier, really, and it feels fantastic. So those two reasons alone are enough. Okay, so presses across and up, and just keep coming back to them, and then you'll find that you'll really get fantastic stimulation on those areas that you need to stimulate more.